Hi, Jonas here with Casket Builder Supply. Let's take a closer look at how latches are assembled and put together on a casket. So we've got a lid latch here. Here's the casket lid where it hinges open, and when it comes closed, it's secured closed with this very, very simple economic latch. It's not a lock, it's just a latch that holds that lid closed. We've got two styles here. There's really very little functional difference between the two styles, but we have a green right-hand style. We use green to signify that it's a right-hand latch. A right-hand latch, the lever tab is kind of on the right, and it pivots on the left side of the latch when it's installed. Whereas a left-hand latch, the lever is over on the left-hand side of the latch, and it pivots on the right-hand side of the latch. Now each of these latches is composed of three components. You've got a base plate, and you'll know which is the base plate because it's got a dimple. And that dimple offset is to make up for the thickness of the lever on the other side. So you put the dimple plate down inside that latch first, and you're going to want to mortise this out to 1/8 of an inch deep with, I believe it's a 3/8 inch round over bit. And you can mortise that out, and you get the base plate in. Then you will put the lever on. Okay, the lever's next, and then you've got the top plate. And if you look very close on the top plate, you'll know because the holes for the screws to receive those screws are countersunk just a little bit to get a nice flush surface here with your screws that are holding that latch. And you really only need a number 6 by 3/4 inch screw to hold this latch in place. And there you have it. That's a very simple latch. Base plate, lever, cover plate.